Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by eliminating input issues. Plug in a wired controller or test your keyboard for lag, because stable input is foundation. Once done, open Fortnite settings and raise look sensitivity slightly, about 6 to 8% above default, so you can turn faster without losing control. Make sure to disable aim smoothing and fine-tune aim assist strength to your playstyle. This reduces unintended micro-adjustments. These steps fix the most common movement sluggishness and prepare you for mechanical tuning next. You now refine movement mechanics and key layout. First, rebind sprint, crouch, and jump to buttons you can hit without losing aim. That consistency makes sliding and strafing reliable. Next, split your sensitivities. Keep a moderate general look sensitivity and use a higher building/edit sensitivity so edits feel snappy but free look stays controllable. Finally, tweak controller dead zone. Lower values increase responsiveness, while small increases eliminate drift. Together, these adjustments make strafes, jumps, and build peaks predictable and faster in live play. You finish by turning changes into muscle memory and verifying performance. Spend 15 minutes daily in creative mode doing strafing, jump peak, and edit courses so your hands learn timing. Once done, record a 30-second clip of movement sequences and watch for delayed inputs or overcorrections. This reveals whether sensitivity or hardware is at fault. If problems persist, update controller/keyboard drivers. Reset Fortnite controls to default, then reapply your tweaks, and test another device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.